Channel, and thank you so much for joining me. First off, I just want to say we are on 1,000 subscribers. We have reached 1,000 subscribers. I am so excited, and I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys who supports my channel. It really means so much to me. So guys, if you are new here, please remember to subscribe, like, and also share my videos. Guys, we are all about home decor, inspiration, and DIY. So we're on to the next level, guys. 2,000 subscribers. I am so excited. So without further ado, guys, today's video, I just want to show you my ensuite bathroom. You know I like to make over stuff, right? So I feel like it's not really what I want anymore. So I have a couple of ideas on what I want to do with it. I bought like a laundry basket. Yeah, basically I just bought a laundry basket, and I just wanted to show you how it looks. So let's get into the video. So guys, this here is my bathroom, and yeah man, it is what it is. It's just dull, you know, there's nothing exciting happening here. This is the shower, and okay, the one thing that I did differently, actually that mirror was white, if you remember. I just actually painted this like yesterday, so that's why I want to redecorate this place so much. So let me just show you. This is the laundry basket that I got. I got this at Westpac for 130 rand. So this was really affordable. I have clothes in here already, so it really opens up like this and you close it. So I really love it, and I love the color. I love the look of the basket itself, and I just want to use this as the focal point of my bathroom because I think it's really gonna give it a really nice look. And yeah, I'm gonna add some greenery, and it's gonna look really beautiful. Other thing that I wanted to add in my bathroom is this fig tree, leaf fig tree. And this is how it looks. This, guys, this tree is in my living room. There's actually 3 branches to this tree. I just took out one branch, and yeah, the other tree still looks perfect without its other branch. So there's 3 branches, and I took out one, and this is how it looks. So these 2 items are gonna magically just make my bathroom look beautiful. So yeah guys, let's start decorating. So guys, these are all the things that I'll be using for my bathroom redecoration, or bathroom decorate with me. So yeah, let me start down here. So this is a frame that I got at Mr. Price Home for like 40 rand, and I basically just printed a perfume, and I really love how this looks. And this laundry basket from Westpac stores, it's gray. I really love how it looks. And on top of this, I have this soap dispenser from Mr. Price Home. This was a gift from a friend, and it was silver, so I just basically painted it black to match everything I have going in my bathroom. And these 2 I got at Pep Home. I think one was like 9 rand, 10 rand, and I basically just painted it gold. And I really love how these look together. And I just have these white bathroom mats that I got from Mr. Price Home. I got these for 50 bucks at Mr. Price Home. They were on sale. I don't think people like buying white stuff, so they were the only ones left. So I just, you know, helped myself. So these are really nice. And yeah, and I just have this linen and bathroom spray from Designyourspace. That's my company. I manufacture and sell luxury candles and diffusers, so I really love this as a decor in your bathroom. And moving on, I just have this white hand towel and this green plant from Mr. Price Home. I think this was about like 30 rands, 29 rand 99. And this side we have this fig tree, guys. I know you know this from my living room. I actually have I still have it in my living room. There's 3 branches to this tree, so I just took out one. And guys, it wasn't easy because there's concrete. Actually, it had concrete on it, so I just made sure that I don't break the vase itself. But I managed to take this out, and yeah, the tree still looks really beautiful without this one stem on it. So I think it's still gonna look nice. So the last thing is this mirror. This mirror was white. It was okay, first it was brown and I made it white, and now I've made it black because I wanted to fit everything that I have going, and I think it really looks nice. And yeah, I painted it like yesterday. I use craft paint and it really works for me. Like, guys, I mean, you can just wipe this off with a white cloth, with a wet cloth, and yeah, everything is simple like that. And we just have this thing, I don't know what it's called. I got it at Mr. Price Home for like 15 rand. It has the Mr. and Mrs. thing going on. That's basically it, you guys. And so I'm going to use everything in here to make this bathroom look amazing. We are finally done, and I am loving this bathroom, you guys. It looks so beautiful. The white bathroom mats and the plant. I brought it this side because I thought this place really needed like a green aspect to it. And over to this side, I love the way it reflects onto our shower. We have our shower this side, and going up we just have this soap dispenser and the DYS linen spray, which smells absolutely beautiful. So I really love how everything came out. And we have this mirror, and at the top of here I have just this picture over here with a perfume, just to bring in that female touch to this ensuit bathroom. And we have this white hand towel, and the star of the show, guys, is this this laundry basket. Actually puts everything together. And on top of the toilet, I have these two from Pep Home, and this vase. And of course I have this fig tree at the corner here, and I think it looks really, really beautiful. Guys, I love it. And we have our bin and our toilet scrub. Our bin actually looks really similar to our laundry basket, so I'm really, really excited about that. This bathroom, guys, gives you like really calm feels. It's really, really peaceful. I really love how it looks. And shout out to one of my beautiful YouTube subscribers. Her name is Just V, or Valerie. Thank you so much, babe. She sent me an Instagram message and told me that she would like me to do a bathroom makeover. So yeah, man, this is dedicated to you, Valerie. This is your video, babe. I hope you do enjoy it and you do get some inspiration on how to make over your bedroom. And thank you so much for the suggestion. You guys can also do the same if you just follow me on Instagram at Designyourspacebythando, and just let me know what you want to see, guys. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. I will see you in the next one. I love you guys so much. Bye.